Hello, my name is Luis,
And my name is Yoma.
and we're doing Unit 5, Lection 2. In this section, we will learn about quehaceres, which is chores, irregular verbs, conjugation, and affirmative to command.
First off, we're gonna teach you about decir, which is an irregular verb. Decir means to say or to tell. We're gonna start off by writing the 6 different forms: yo, tú, él, ella, usted. And nosotros, vosotros, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. First off, what you want to do is draw the boot. Because the nosotros and vosotros are in the regular forms. But starting off with yo, you might try to write it as dico, but then it is actually digo because the C changes into a G. In the to form, it is dices. In the ella, usted form, it is DC. In the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, it is dicen. And in the nosotros form, it is decimos. And in the vosotros form, it is decís. Okay, the next irregular verb that we are going to talk about is venir, which means to come. This one should be a little bit easier because venir is similar to tener, which we already learned. But the difference is the nosotros form and vosotros form of this verb have IR endings, while the tener uses ER endings. For the yo form, it would be vengo. In the to form, it will be vienes. In the el, ella, usted form, it becomes viene. In the nosotros form, it becomes venimos. In the vosotros form, it becomes venís. And in the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, it becomes vienen. Again, you want to draw the boot because the vosotros form and nosotros form have regular endings, regular conjugations, while the others don't. Okay, the verbs that are on the board right now, these are only irregular in the yo form. For example, dar turns into doy, poner turns into pongo, salir turns into salgo, and traer turns into traigo.
Some examples of these irregular verbs in a sentence are de donde vienes, which is where are you coming from, and doy una fiesta, which is I'm giving a party. Now we are going to move on to the affirmative to commands. Regular affirmative to commands are the same as the el, ella form in the present tense. Here are some examples. Cocinar conjugated to the el, ella, usted form is the command form of cocinar. The command form is cocina la comida, which is cook the food. Planchar conjugated to the el, ella, usted form is the command form of planchar. Plancha la ropa, which is iron the clothes.
Next off is about irregular to commands. There are more in this chapter, but I picked these 3. Tesir turns into D in the command form, asir into as, and ir into be. Finally, when you use a affirmative command with a direct object pronoun, you have to attach the pronoun to the end. And if the command is 2 or more syllables, you have to add an accent to retain the original stress. For example, cierra la ventana means close the window, and then it becomes cierra, which means close it.